Today we're gonna make Piparkoogid again, gingerbread dough. And tomorrow we're gonna turn it into gingerbread cookies. I made gingerbread every Christmas time, I can remember. Usually we did buy the dough from the store, but I think like a year before last year we tried to make our own dough and we liked it. So we're gonna do it again. Here's the ingredients. We need flour, butter, eggs, sugar, baking soda, and some Piparkoogid maitsena, which is gingerbread spice. And I guess you can't really get this in the States, but it has cinnamon, clove, black pepper, allspice, ginger, cardamom, and nutmeg in it. I'm sure you could make your own. So we need 135 grams of water now. And then we need 230 grams of sugar. And this sugar goes in here. Okay, and then we turn the stove on at medium-low heat. And then we're just going to wait until the sugar starts to melt.
At this point, it's been about 10-ish minutes, and you can see that the under layer is melted, but the top layer is not melted yet. And the bottom will burn before the top gets, melted all the way through. So at this point, we need to kind of break the top up gently and get that to also melt. We have to do it gently though, because we do not want big clumps to form, which is possible. Also, just be careful with this, because this is not like boiling water temperature. This is like 2 or 3 times that. Like, it's extremely hot. I can see there's still quite a lot of just little pieces of sugar that haven't melted yet. But if we give it just a minute or 2 more, those will go away. Those will dissolve. Okay, the syrup is ready. It's very hot. We have the water that I just took off the burner. It was boiling a second ago. And now we pour it in here.
And now you keep stirring it until
all the sugar has dissolved into the water. Most of the lumps are dissolved, so we can add the rest of the ingredients. Sugar going in.
So another 120 grams of sugar.
Okay.
And 30 grams of gingerbread spice, which in this case is the full package.
Yay.
Ready?
Mm-hmm. Oh wow, that smells really good.
So while Daniel is doing this, I'll get the butter ready.
By get ready, you mean dice it up, right?
Yes, 250 grams of butter.
Okay.
Which I guess is cold butter.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Good.
I think cold butter is fine for this. That is boiling. So take that off the heat now. We're essentially making a really spicy caramel. Okay, here we have this very creamy, buttery, caramely, spicy mixture. And the next thing we need to mix in is eggs, so it has to be cool enough for not the eggs to get scrambled.
So while the gingerbread caramel is cooling down, I'm gonna get ready the flour and baking soda mixture. So we need 600 grams of flour. So this is a very big batch of gingerbread though. This makes approximately 1.3 kilograms of it. We adjusted it to 1 baggage of gingerbread spice. We need 2 teaspoons of baking soda. And this needs to get mixed.
This is cooled down enough to put the eggs in. Okay, lovely. Now goes in the flour and the baking soda mixture, right? Mm-hmm. All of it?
No, gradually.
Because at some point we'll have to switch to a spoon, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, this is good enough for me. Wow, that is a lot.
Yeah, 1.3.
Wow.
So now it has to stay in the fridge overnight. And then tomorrow we're gonna have lots of fun with it. So it is the next day. First, let's turn the oven on, 200 degrees. For this part, you need the dough, you need some flour, you need something to roll out the dough, and you'll need lots of cookie cutters. These green ones are actually from my childhood, and this red one too. Okay, and now they go in the oven. And we will bake them approximately 9 minutes. And now we have this huge bowl of gingerbread, and we have some glaze. And now we will start decorating our gingerbread.